Mastering the art of writing a compelling research title is a crucial skill for any aspiring researcher. A well-crafted title not only grabs the attention of readers, but also accurately reflects the essence of your study. In this video, we will provide you with some essential tips to help you master the art of writing a research title. Remember, a well-crafted research title is like a window into your study. It should accurately represent the content, attract readers' attention, and convey the significance of your research. By following these additional tips and practicing the art of writing research titles, you can effectively communicate the essence of your work and increase its visibility and impact. Tip 1. Be clear and concise. A research title should succinctly convey the main focus and purpose of your study. Avoid vague or ambiguous language and aim for clarity. Use specific keywords that accurately represent the content of your research. Be specific. A specific title helps readers understand the precise focus of your research. Avoid broad or general terms that can lead to confusion. Instead, include details that clearly define the scope of your study. Avoid jargon or abbreviations. While it's important to use relevant keywords, avoid excessive use of jargon or abbreviations that may be unfamiliar to a wider audience. Opt for clear and accessible language that can be easily understood by both experts and non-experts in your field. Balance length. While it's important to be concise, ensure that your title is also informative. Strive for a balance between brevity and providing enough information to convey the main idea of your research. Aim for a title that is neither too short nor excessively long. Check this title. Investigating the impact of various factors on human health. For example, consider this poorly written title. It lacks specificity and fails to provide a clear indication of the study's subject matter. Effects of air pollution on respiratory health, a longitudinal study in urban areas. Instead, a more effective title would be something like this. It highlights the specific focus of the study, which is the effects of air pollution on respiratory health in urban areas. Use keywords and phrases. Keywords are the terms that researchers in your field are likely to use when searching for relevant studies. Including these keywords in your title can increase the visibility and discoverability of your research. Consider the target audience. Tailor your title to the specific audience you intend to reach. Use terminology and keywords that are familiar to researchers in your field. This helps your research stand out and increases the chances of attracting the attention of your target audience. Machine learning-based classification of breast cancer subtypes using gene expression profiles. Take a look at this example. By including keywords like machine learning, breast cancer, and gene expression profiles, the title becomes more specific and aligns with what researchers in the field might be searching for. Tip 3. Highlight the main findings or novelty. If your research has significant findings or introduces a novel approach or concept, consider incorporating that into your title. Check this title. Discovery of a potential drug target for Alzheimer's disease. Inhibition of beta-amyloid aggregation by compound X. In this example, the title emphasizes the discovery of a potential drug target for Alzheimer's disease and the inhibition of beta-amyloid aggregation by a specific compound. This immediately captures the attention of readers and highlights the novelty of the research. If your study involves a specific research design or methodology, consider incorporating it into your title. For example, if your research is a randomized controlled trial or a meta-analysis, mention it in the title to provide a clear indication of the study design. Tip 5. Seek feedback and revise. Don't be afraid to seek input from your peers, mentors, or colleagues. Their feedback can help you refine and improve your research title. Engage in discussions and consider different perspectives. This iterative process of seeking feedback and revising will help you create a strong and impactful title. Revise and refine. Writing a research title often involves multiple iterations. Refine your title through continuous revision, seeking feedback from experts or colleagues, and incorporating suggestions that enhance its clarity and impact. Don't hesitate to make changes until you are satisfied with the final version. Tip 6. Seek inspiration from existing literature. Review published research articles in your field to gain inspiration for structuring and wording your title. Analyze the titles of influential studies to understand how they effectively capture the essence of the research while being concise and engaging. What are some strategies for making my research title more engaging and attention-grabbing? Making your research title engaging and attention-grabbing is crucial to capture the interest of readers and increase the visibility of your study. Here are some strategies used by experts to make their research title more captivating. First, use powerful and descriptive words. Incorporate strong and descriptive language in your title to evoke curiosity and intrigue. Choose words that vividly portray the main concepts or findings of your research. However, ensure that the words accurately represent your study and avoid exaggeration. Employ action verbs. Utilize action verbs in your title to make it more dynamic and engaging. Action verbs convey a sense of movement and impact, making your research sound more compelling. Choose verbs that accurately represent the actions or processes described in your study. Include surprising or contradictory elements. Incorporate surprising or contradictory elements in your title to generate interest. This can involve unexpected findings, approaches, or controversial aspects of your research. However, ensure that the elements accurately reflect your study and are supported by evidence. Highlight the practical relevance. Emphasize the practical relevance or real-world implications of your research in the title. This appeals to readers who are interested in the potential applications or benefits of your study. Use numbers or statistics. Incorporate numbers or statistics in your title to grab attention. Quantitative information can pique curiosity and create a sense of significance. For instance, mention the magnitude of an effect, the number of participants, or the percentage of improvement achieved in your research. Consider the emotional appeal. Tap into the emotional aspect of your research topic, if applicable, to make your title more relatable and engaging. Appeal to readers' emotions by highlighting the potential impact on individuals, society, or specific groups. This can create a personal connection and draw readers in. Remember, while making your research title engaging, it is crucial to maintain accuracy and alignment with the content of your study. Avoid sensationalism or misleading statements. Strive for a balance between captivating language and accurately representing the essence of your research. When writing a research article title, it's important to avoid common mistakes that can undermine the effectiveness and impact of your work. In the remaining part of our video, we will practice and highlight some of these mistakes and provide you with tips on how to avoid them. A study on human behavior. For instance, consider this vague title. It provides little information about the specific aspect of human behavior being studied, making it less compelling and informative. Instead, a more effective title would be like this. It clearly specifies the focus of the research, which is the impact of social media usage on adolescent online behavior, and indicates the scope of the study. An exploration of the pharmacokinetics of 5-HT reuptake inhibitors in the treatment of major depressive disorder. Consider this example. While it may be appropriate for a specialized audience, it can be overwhelming for readers who are not familiar with the field. A more effective title would be something like this. It provides a clearer and more accessible description of the research topic without sacrificing important details. A comprehensive examination of the relationship between physical exercise, diet, and mental health in young adults, a multi-center longitudinal study conducted in 3 countries. This example is quite long and can be condensed without losing important information. A more effective title would be something like this. It provides a clearer and more accessible description of the research topic without sacrificing important details. Revolutionary breakthrough in cancer cure, a miracle drug that guarantees 100% tumor regression. Titles like this can create unrealistic expectations and undermine the credibility of your work. Instead, focus on accurately representing your findings and the potential impact of your research without resorting to exaggerated language. By avoiding these common mistakes and following best practices, you can create a research article title that is clear, concise, and engaging, effectively capturing the essence of your work and attracting the attention it deserves. Mastering the art of writing a research title takes practice, but by following these tips and seeking feedback, you can create a title that effectively captures the essence of your research and engages your audience. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into how to write a good research article. Subscribe now to receive notification about our next video about how to prepare an attractive introduction for your article.